All right, guys, we're here at Green Lake State Park, and we're on the hunt for barred owls. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you judging me?
No.
Okay.
You landed up in one of these trees.
And we just started, and he landed in one of these trees, just flew across the trail. We're gonna look for him. All right, we see where he is. We got the Sigma 150-600, and we're gonna try and capture him. Where is he? No, where is he?
He's back there. He's sitting on.
Oh, I see him. Oh my gosh. He's just back there. Oh, he's eating a squirrel or something. That's crazy. I'm gonna try and photograph him. I really thought this was gonna be a longer video. I thought this was gonna take a long time to find owl, but we just found the owl, so I'm gonna try and photograph him now. Oh, it's not a clear view.
If you get where I am and look up at it, like if you lower it quite a bit.
Yeah, I do.
Like me, like where I.
Yeah. Okay, so I was kind of nervous that I was going to get this set up, but we have him eating some rodent. What do we think? It's a chipmunk?
A chipmunk or a red squirrel?
Chipmunk or a red squirrel? Here, take a look. I'll show you the actual one. There's the shot right now. I'll switch it over here. That's so cool. I'd love to get him a couple shots of him flying at some point. But literally, we got out here like expecting to be out here for a few hours and immediately found owls. That's so cool. I had it on slow motion video, so I think we got him flying away on slow motion video. A good portion of that. All right, guys, I think we're gonna go look for more. How excited are you? It's so cool. All right, the owl is on the move here. He just flew away. Got a couple slow motion shots of him. So the entire point of this video was to try and find owls. And within, literally, we got on trail and then got down to where we thought they might be. And within like a minute, we saw an owl, which was crazy. Now, we're just gonna try and optimize some photos here. Got a couple slow motion shots, got a couple photos. Chelsea is helping me spot with her binoculars. Wave. Oh. This is the Sigma 150-600, by the way. It's a great starting wildlife lens. It's only like $1,000 used. You see him, babe?
I don't see him. No.
Should we go try and find that other one that was down the path more?
Yeah, maybe we'll go around this way and then go back.
Oh, let's go to see. You remember where they were being crazy last year?
Well, but I think the other one was very cool. Yeah, whatever you think.
All right, so we're taking a break. We didn't really have a chance to do an intro. We're out here testing the Sigma 150-600 for the Sony E-mount system. And we already saw owls. We kind of weren't expecting to see owls immediately. We figured it would take at least a few minutes, but we were out here for like a minute. And one flew across the trail right in front of a runner. I think they almost collided, to be honest. And then we saw him catch I don't know if we saw him catch, but we saw him eat a red squirrel
Or a chipmunk.
or a chipmunk.
But probably a red squirrel.
I don't know. You saw that video already, so
What do you think?
you know already what it was, but we don't know what it was yet. But there's a family of barred owls here at Green Lake State Park, and we're trying to figure out if we can find more of them. We have Chelsea here, the best spotter in the world.
I don't know if I'd say that. But I try my best.
She's pretty good. And there's a family of barred owls. They have kids. We don't know if we saw the mom or kid. We'll see if we can find any more and keep testing out this lens from Sigma. We're looking for owls in this opening.
Do you want to point out any more owls that look suspiciously like osprey?
Yeah.
A few minutes ago, Joe was convinced that there was an owl flying along the lake and was super excited. Like he was about to like run, like to go see it. And I looked through my binoculars and I had already decided it was I was pretty sure it was an osprey, and it was an osprey. So it
Yeah.
was a fun moment.
No other owls yet, guys.
Yeah, we're working on it.
Alright guys, so we're back at camp and we didn't see any more owls unfortunately, but it was the first experience photographing owls and only my second time seeing owls. How many times have you seen owls?
Probably like 10 or so.
Really? I'm jealous. Anyways, yeah, the Sigma 150-600 did pretty well for us. You've definitely seen the photos before us, so hope they looked good. If you're interested in this lens, I'll leave a link down in the description. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider hitting that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we'll catch you in the next video.